Hello, I'm Marjorie Engle, and thank you so much for the opportunity to serve you in one of the biggest decisions of your life. Below, you are going to find a lot of information I would love for you to look at prior to our appointment. It is going to include our comparative market analysis to give you an idea of what your home could potentially be worth. Keep in mind, we will go over this in more detail once we see the condition and the upgrades in your home. You'll also find a link to my Google reviews. Communication and 5-star service is what I pride myself on, and I want you to see happy customers that have actually closed with me in the past. You'll also find information regarding the home selling process and my marketing strategies. Again, thank you for the opportunity to serve you, and I look forward to meeting you.